Jazz, I know you can't get enough of me, and I'm definitely in touch with my vegetarian soul at the moment with these recipes.
You are indeed. I love an injection of lots of vegetarian dishes because we need to eat our veggies more and more.
Couldn't agree more. And obviously during winter time, we want that veggie impact, yeah?
Yes.
You know, get us going. So we're using Senra pulse pasta. We're doing a zucchini, broccolini, and chili pasta.
Sounds great.
All right, first and foremost, normally we get pasta into the water, but we're not. We're going to get some olive oil into the pan.
Okay.
I'm going to get you to grate the zucchini for me, okay?
Great. Yep.
Now, I am, you know, when I'm cooking at home, Jazz,
Yeah.
I don't want to over-prep, you know, spend too much time in the kitchen. So this is why we're grating. You could sit there and dice it all nice and fine, the zucchini,
Yeah.
but I love when it's grated. You know, a little bit less prep time.
Yes.
Okay, garlic, chili, straight into the pan. Got the sizzle going there.
Okay.
Butter. Okay, Jazz, if you want to make this dish vegan, you could obviously just eliminate the butter.
Yep.
And make just olio, so just oil-based.
No problem.
Sauce, look at that, broccolini, just chopped up
Okay.
into the pan.
And I love the use of butter with vegetables because it just makes them extra tasty.
I think that's the French in you, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Very good. Zucchini in, please.
Okay. And
There it goes.
with it grated, it cooks so much faster.
Nice.
There we go.
All right, Jess, we need to get our pulse pasta into the water,
Sure, yep.
which is a great source of extra fibre, yeah, and protein. Gluten-free, dairy-free, see in that goes. Give that a little stir.
you.
6 to 8 minute cook, so timing about right now, yeah?
Okay.
Now, let's get our heat up on the pan. Now.
And what are we looking for here? Do you want it to break down or?
Yeah, I want it to start to collapse, yeah, a little bit, and obviously cook out all the water content in our veggies, a little salt as well.
Sure.
We're going to add some cherry tomatoes, so I'll get you to chop them up for me, just in halves.
Okay.
The reason why I'm adding the cherry tomatoes, I just want that little bit of like refreshing zing, I guess, the acid to this dish, yeah?
Yep. Little pop of sweetness, why not?
And look, all these type of veggies are things that we have in the fridge, yeah?
Yep.
Daily. I know I do, I'm pretty sure you would too, most people. So these things you can get to, cook this for your midweek dinner, real easy.
Very nice. Okay, so we're going to add the tomatoes, wait for our pasta to finish cooking,
Yeah.
and just like that, dinner's going to be ready.
Definitely. Jazz, our veggies are cooked down. We added in a cup of vegetable stock to help create our sauce, I guess.
Yeah, and it's funny how you add the stock and the zucchini together, it almost transforms into a bit of cream. It's not cream, it looks like cream.
Yeah, it does,
very
definitely.
nice.
You want to tear some basil into there?
Absolutely.
While I add in the pasta.
Basil leaves.
Strain off all the excess water. Last minute again of the pasta cooking process in the pan
Yes.
is a must.
And don't chop your basil. Always tear it.
Starting to sound like me. Just give that a little flick, like so.
Do you think the days are gone when people put pasta in the bowl first and then top it with sauce?
Oh, jeez, I hope so. Seriously, that is like, oh, my worst nightmare. All right, so to finish off, just into our serving dish.
Yeah. And it's not swimming in sauce, it's just coating it nicely.
Nah, that's how pasta should be, Jazz. And this beautiful pulse pasta, yeah, really good, flavoursome. And what would be a pasta dish without a little bit of cheese, pecorino in this case?
And just a little over the top.
Oh, it's a must.
There we go. Shall we have a taste?
Definitely.
Okay. Try this pulse pasta.
What do you think?
It's great. It's nutty. I actually really like the flavour of the pulse pasta. I use this often. And I love all the vibrant vegetables in this, so it's a healthier option.
Yeah.
Maybe a touch of spring.
I couldn't agree more.